wanna let me go, nah, nah, now?
Welcome to Biology.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
I did take you inside Dollar Tree with me as I look around to find the items that I want to prepare this meal. Well, with this meal, guys, it's complete dinner. So I decided I am gonna do a dessert also, Dollar Tree style. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I pick up. My meats will be a ribeye steak, some shrimp, and my veggies will be a stir-fried blend. And I'm just gonna take certain items out of this. And also I have some chicken flavored rice. For my dessert, I have some mixed berries. Also, I have some glazed donuts, some Cool Whip, some French vanilla ice cream, some cream cheese, and I wanted to make sure you had a little something to drink with it. So guys, this is gonna be a Dollar Tree full dinner for $10. So I got my pan, guys, time to cook.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else, here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright. If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time, I'm feeling good, rule every party, see how I shine. I said some things I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it.
Okay, guys, I am done with my Dollar Tree meal. And guys, because I don't eat shrimp, I have my daughter here and she's gonna be taste testing that. I do have a side plate of veggies and rice, and we both gonna taste the dessert together. So she has the rice, mixed vegetables with steak and bacon crusted shrimp. And of course, I just have the rice that I'm not supposed to be eating and veggies. So, you ready? That tastes good. I like it. Okay, guys, we get ready to taste the dessert. This is strawberry and berry, and it's a certain thing that I make with berries. We also have a Dollar Tree donut, some cream cheese, some French vanilla ice cream with some confetti sugar on top. So we're gonna try this together. Ready? To my beautiful two ladies for this collab. See, I told y'all when you said let's do this, I can do a Dollar Tree thing. So I will list all my ingredients that I have for my collab. Here, you want the rest because my baby just eating it. I will list all of the items that I had on my collab that I did cook. Also, I did a dessert and yeah, buddy. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, and I will have these two ladies linked below. So if you don't know these two ladies, please do go to my description below and go over to their home. So guys, bon appetit.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? pity, let me know, not now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?